What is up, everyone, and welcome back to another video. What you see in the background, that is my new 3LT. Just a beautiful ride. Of course, I have on the red camo hat. Y'all know I had the C7, the camo, so there's going to be a change coming into the new year. So therefore, I'm going to have to change my hat. But with that said, we're going to get into this video and tell you what's on the inside of the 3LT. She is a beauty. Look at that. Nice. So with all that said, before I get into what's inside the 3LT, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, smash that like button, make sure you share, leave it in the comments down below. With that said, let's get into the video. First off, if you get into the car, you're gonna see this Napa leather. Everything is really smoothed out. You got your seat setting buttons right here. Got a complete Bose system for the windows and both mirrors. Also, you got the nice stitching throughout the entire car, up on the dashboard, all the way across. Of course, you got the yellow seat belts, the bucket seats, carbon fiber on the back, both sides, the Napa leather here, Napa leather here. Also, you got the stitching here as well as the control panel. Here you got everything you need right at your hands. Also, nice screen. Also on the steering wheel, you got the stitching as well. And with the 3LT, like I said, I'm not getting too deep in it. You got a head-up display. Also, you got some tricks and trickery up in the mirror. We'll talk about that later. If you look up at the headboard, or the roof, you also got the stitcher as well, along with the panels. You got the Bose system speaker here. Also, like I said, leather throughout. Heated and cooling seats. This is all over. Beautiful car. Like I said, I'm not going to get into full detail right now, but I just want y'all to see what I see when I'm inside.